Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make these fun winter ornaments out of ice. Look, I know. They're super cute. Great project when it's freaking ridiculously cold, as it is in Maine. Great thing to do with your kids, your grandkids. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's so easy. Anybody can do this. So I use a muffin tin. You have one of those. Water. These are the ingredients you need. Water, muffin tin. You need some string. You tie a knot in it. And then you need stuff to put in your little ice sculptures. It's fun to get the kids outside, have them look around and harvest some things. So you can use pieces of evergreen. These are berries that were in my garden. These are some dried herbs from my garden. Most of us have cranberries in the fridge. I had some blueberries in the fridge. Limes. Limes are a combination of lime and lemon. Just made up a new word. You're welcome. So that's what I'm using, but you can use anything you want. You just want to try to use ingredients that are going to be safe outside, because these are going to melt and all your ingredients are going to fall to the ground. So keep that in mind. So all you're going to do is put water in your cups and then put your ingredients in. Now here's one tip. You want to get your knot as close to the center of your, let me show you one. See, that one's kind of on the edge. You want to get it as close to the center as possible, because if you do that, they will stay up longer and hang longer, because they are going to start melting. So the closest it is to the edge, the sooner the rope's going to fall off, because the edges melt first. I think I explained that well. I think you get it. So how do you do that? What you can do is put water in your muffin tins about halfway up and then freeze those. They don't have to be solid, but at least hard enough so that you can lay your knot and your decorations on top. Then you add the rest of the water, because as you know, everything floats. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. So that's just one tip, not necessary. You don't have to overthink this. Okay, let's start making one. Get your ingredients ready, get your knot on your string. You want to keep a loop on the end. And I'm going to actually put some ingredients in here first and then pour the water over it and see how that goes. You can change it around. So we're going to put the water over it. You want to be sure you put your string in, and I try to tuck it so it's in the center. Oh, that worked pretty well. Again, you can pre-freeze half of the water, then put your string in so it centers it. But you can also do it this way, where you kind of put something over it to push it down. And let me give you a close-up shot of that. There, that looks good. Just keep going. You can put cranberries in, blueberries. Great fun with the kids. A few blueberries in here. They do float. That's what it looks like after it's frozen. And pulling them out, again, is really easy. They should just lift right out. If not, you can, oh, they're melting fast. You can let it sit out and it will start to melt. Then we go hang these from the trees. Now, one thing that's also fun you could do with your kids or just by yourself is you could make like a little, get another piece of string and tie these together. So you have multiple ones hanging on the same string. So these are gonna go outside. I'll take you out, we'll hang them. How long they last completely depends on Mother Nature. So these may last for a few days, a few hours, longer, depends on the weather. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Let's go see what they look like in the sunshine.